Life is woven intricately, I'm surprised they considered being friends with me. But the moment I met them I was instantly hooked. Like a vending machine dispensing, I was shook up, and I didn't know what to do. So I picked it all up and I tried to construe, tried to feed it to my head, but it wouldn't consume, so I just let it go. When I went with the flow, there was no need to stop, so I gave it a roll. I went straight into the dark place we all know, the place that breaks you and makes you regrow, the face that hates you and aches when you show yourself to the mirror. Couple steps nearer and you'll be seeing clearer. When you pass the fear, hit the gas to clear, it's in the past, the rear.
You don't understand my life, you don't understand, I've tried, but you know in the end it really doesn't matter. We're all climbing up the same ladder. You will never catch me life, you will never catch me live. Now I've got plenty more years till I let me die. That's plenty more tears, so let me cry.
I don't understand why people just haven't seen it. People earn respect when reject isn't needed, and people earn reject when respect isn't needed. It spreads and infects like insects till exceeded, and then they don't understand how they're there and others are on welfare and don't have shit to pay health care. It's fucked up, but what can you do about it? It can be a screwed up system if you don't contain the wisdom. You can end up at the top or you can end up as the victim. Don't ask me why it was created this way. You gotta fight to the top, then die if you wanna stay. With obstacles in the way and people who get paid, you better watch your back, you're gonna get betrayed. Every tool we need, each one of us possess, so the only thing I can say is I wish you the best.
You don't understand my life, you don't understand, I've tried, but you know in the end it really doesn't matter. We're all climbing up the same ladder. You will never catch me life, you will never catch me live. Now I've got plenty more years till I let me die. That's plenty more tears, so let me
Now
cry.
you can blow away the flame, but you can't consume the fume. I will blow away the frame once the fume consumes the room. I will make it fucking rain when the fire waters drain. I will make you go insane, but I'll be there to maintain, because life is but a game. And it's such a fucking shame, and these knives are such a pain when they're aimed right to your name. Over jealous people try to run you to the ground. Over malice deceitful because they aren't sound. You can cover up my mouth and you can try to entrap that. I'll give it to you Morse code, yeah, I tap that. You can take the beat away, yeah, extract that. Try to make it smell good, yeah, just axe that. I don't feel like having another stab back, so enemies and friends accept that that's that. Kick the feet on up and relax on back. It's money over bitches, I'd prefer the fat stack.
You don't understand my life, you don't understand,